So look at my Redmi phone and you can see that the battery percentage here showing is 57%. Without charging, if I want to make this charge as 100% as a demo, you can do it by turning on the developer option in your Redmi phone. So first go to the settings, and from the settings you can choose the additional settings, and in this additional settings their developer option is there. So if you turn on this developer option, sometimes if it is off, you must turn this developer option on in your Redmi. Then if you scroll here, then you can see there is a mode called demo mode, and if you click or touch this button closer to this demo mode, if you simply turn this demo mode on, look at this battery percentage. Now you can see that when demo mode is on, the clock in the status bar will stop, battery and signal icons will display as full. So if you turn on this demo mode, then my battery will be shown as 100% and the signals and also 100%. Look here. So this video helps you. For more videos like this, you can subscribe Engineers Well Online. And if you wish to turn off this demo mode, you can do it. Thank you for watching.